Alright, let's look at the homework 4.3, problem number 8. Let's find the second derivative of this given function. Alright, so first we have to find the first derivative. So f prime of x is equal to, right? So we have two things multiplied together, so we're going to use the product rule. Right, derivative of the first guy would be derivative of 5 is 0, derivative of 4x is 4. Right, times the second guy, so e to the negative 5x, plus, right, first guy, so it's a quantity 5 plus 4x, and then multiply by derivative of the second guy, so it's going to be exactly the same thing, so e to the negative 5x, but you have to multiply by derivative of the power, which is negative 5. So I'm just doing the chain rule here. All right, then I'm going to collect the common factor. So here you have e to the negative 5x, e to the negative 5x. So I'm going to pull that out. So you have e to the negative 5x, right? Then we have, right, what's left over would be 4, right? So that would take care of this guy, right? Then I'm going to distribute the negative 5 to 5, so that's going to be negative 25, right? And then I'm going to distribute negative 5 to 4x, so it's going to be negative 20x, right? So that takes care of those, right? Then this is going to be equal to, right? So we're going to have e to the negative 5x, right? So 4 minus 25 would be negative 21 minus 20x. Right? So that's the first derivative. So we just have to take another derivative. So f double prime of x would be, right? So again, we have two things multiplied together. So that's the first guy. That's my second guy. Right? Derivative of the first guy is e to the negative 5 x and a multiply by negative 5, right? Derivative of the power, times the second guy, so it's a negative 21 minus 20x, plus first guy is e to the negative 5x, and then multiply by derivative of this. Derivative of negative 21 is 0, derivative of negative 20x would be negative 20. Right, so we have that. Then we collect the common factor, so it's a negative e to the negative 5x. All right, so I'm going to put, let's see, e to the negative 5x here. All right, then the rest of it is going to be, let's see, 5 is distributed to negative 21. So that's going to be positive 105, so 105. And then distribute negative 5 to negative 20. So that's going to give us plus 100x. All right, then you have minus 20. So just have to subtract the 20 from there. All right, so let's clean it up. So you have 100x, and then you have plus 85. E to the negative 5x. All right, so let's type it in. All right, we got 100 plus 85x, actually, sorry, not 100x plus 85, and e to the negative 5x. All right, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.